What's up? Just arrived to Bali. It is currently 2 AM. Pretty cool room. I got the whole of upstairs and my parents have them downstairs, so I'll show you that. Dad, say hi.
Hi. Welcome to Bali.
So 2.5-hour flight to Bali and we made it. Things seem real expensive because everything's like 250,000. Quite shocking to see that price when you want to catch a taxi. I think everything's like that because $40,000 for a chocolate bar. Oh, rupiah. 40,000 rupiah. Okay, see you tomorrow. So currently at one of the temples in Bali. Pretty cool, pretty different to what I have ever seen, but nice, looks ancient.
Temple.
I was getting angry. They're huge. That was my first day at Bali. I hope you enjoyed that and I'll see you next time. Catch you later. Janita, Jay.